This is Teacher Jekka of Camglish.com. I am here to help you easily understand the topics in the book New Children's Talk 1, written by Elias Korea editorial staff and Dwayne Voorhees. On this video, we are going to start with part 3. Part 3 is entitled Let's Practice Making Questions. Let's turn the page to the table of contents. If you can still remember, on the previous videos, we studied and we learned how to properly make questions starting in WH or WH questions. WH questions are what, when, how, where, why. So for you to practice your skill, we are going to discuss lesson 17 to 22. So in these lessons, we are going to practice constructing WH questions.
My favorite expression is, how are you?
So let us now start with lesson 17. Lesson 17 is about make a question starting with what.
What did you do today?
If you can still remember, the WH question what is asked if you want to know something or if you want to find out what something is. For example, what is your favorite food? What is your name? Okay, so this time the first thing that you would see is the answer. Answer is I want to be a doctor. So for you to practice questions or question construction, you are going to make WH question what for this response. So we have here 3 possible what questions. What do you want to be in the future? I want to be a doctor. Another one is what do you want to be when you grow up? I want to be a doctor. And what do you want to do someday? I want to be a doctor. So these 3 what questions require the same answer. They just differ in the way they were constructed, but they have the same meaning. Are you ready to practice your skill now? Okay. So for the following answers, make at least one question starting with what. So you will see the answers first, and then you need to think of or make a what question. Number 1, I slept all day yesterday. What question can you make for the response, I slept all day yesterday? The question for that answer is, what did you do yesterday? What about you? Can you think of another what question that is related to this response?
Can you consider word opposition?
Okay, number 2. The answer is, I like bulgogi.
Help me. Can you consider word?
What question can you think of related to this answer? You can ask, what is your favorite food?
How can you control?
Another is, what dish do you like? So both of those questions require the same answer, and that is, I like bulgogi. Can you think of another question that is related to this answer?
Consider fart as a fruition. What may be
Let's now go to number 3. The response is, I'm going to see a movie tonight.
it will be released in the air.
You can ask, what are you going to do tonight? Or,
For the plastic.
what are your plans for tonight?
Teacher is always this.
Can you think of another question for this
I
response?
have a story. Whenever my brother
Okay, we're done with the first 3 questions on this activity. On the next video, we're going to do the rest of the questions. So yeah, I hope that you've understood the topic about making questions with what. See you again on our next video. Goodbye.